So let's say you have a credit card with a $500 limit and you're carrying a balance of $300 every month and making the minimum payment. How would that look to a credit bureau? Well, it doesn't look great because you're using $300 out of the $500 limit, which is 60% of the credit that's available to you. That's known as your debt to credit ratio. Carrying a high amount of debt compared to your limit is a red flag to the credit bureaus because even though you may not be under financial distress, a high percentage makes it appear like you're under distress. A good rule of thumb is to keep your balance under 30%. So using the example of the credit card with a $500 limit, 30% would be $150. For a card with a $1,000 limit, it would be $300. Do the math on the credit cards on your own and keep your balances in check so they don't affect your credit score negatively.